never felt as good or as easy as when we were young.
Hurry up! Cook!
Ay, okay, I'm
I
just
made a
gonna,
big plate.
put it here then.
Or just act like you did. We forgot. Oh yeah. Look at this fire. Hot pancake.
That's because you don't want to love that shape.
No, I don't want it. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. I'm dragging it.
Oh my god, what a show.
I'm just looking at the mommy.
Yeah, Holly. Pancakes burning.
Happy Father's
Hi,
Day!
Oh, baby.
That's Zach's eating it. That's mine.
You watch it?
I'm not.
Oh, thanks, Baba.
Yeah.
Huh? You get some cake on butter in there?
Yes.
Thanks, baby. Fresh and
Hey guys.
Who's this from? You?
No, you just wait for Zach.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, you know, I did that in text. So I forgot mine.
What?
Got mine.
You forgot? That's bad. What?
Nah,
Where is it?
I made mine, so
When?
before,
5 minutes ago.
you know, I made mine. Oh, crap.
Oh, cheers, Zachary. Girls, bud.
You're not my father. Happy Father's Day.
He stinks.
I know. He just come home from fishing, Saki. Kuya is making pancakes. And Zach. Good morning! So nakita nyo naman yung situation kanina. Today is Father's Day dito sa Australia. First Sunday of September. Sinicelebrate. First Sunday of September. But today is September 3rd. So, yeah. First first Sunday of September, sinicelebrate ng Australia yung Father's Day. So, iba yung Father's Day dito. Kaya, ngayon pa lang kayo mag-celebrate ng Father's Day. And to all the fathers out there, Happy Father's Day!
In Australia.
In Australia, sabi ni Zach. Kahit saan naman. Always Father's Day.
Stop pancakes. How many do you want?
How many you want daw, Daddy?
2.
Katapos ko lang mag-yoga. And later, mag-walking ako. Yung mga bata, pancakes din yung kanilang breakfast. Si Kuya yung nagluto. Hindi ako nakapag-start ng vlog kanina kasi nga nag-yoga din ako. Nandun na silang mag-aama. Tinulungan ni Johnny Boy. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung ginawang cards ng mga bata sa school. Baba, can you pass me all the cards,
I mean, the
please?
tournaments are doing good.
Ayun, pahinga muna ang daddy namin. Ang daddy namin, ang daddy nila. Ayan. Pero naglalaro ng golf.
Where did I put my car?
I don't know. Which one is Kuya? Okay, this is Kuya. Siya ang nag-color nito. Ayan, yung message niya sa daddy niya. Pakibasa na lang po.
You stopped it up.
Ayan, kay Kuya. Kay Saki, eto. Ayan. May paano siya. Anong tawag dyan? Iba yung kanyang writing. 2 klase. And, ayan yung sulat. Pakibasa na lang po. And meron pa dito. Number 1 dad in the world. Ayan. Kay Holly, eto, may paribon.
Go up 4.
What's this?
Go to 24 feet.
Okay. I love my dad because my dad looks after me. He gives me lollies. What's the other one? What's this?
This one's a good one.
This one.
Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, but your dad likes
He
it like
tickles
that.
He tickles me. Yan yung kanyang
Dad, do you like the pancakes
sinabi
with the
dito.
crust on the side?
Tickles me. Hinanap niyo yung isa niyang card. So, yan yung
Really crunchy.
mga ginawa nila sa school.
Okay.
Ayan. Ito yung kay Holly. Very girly. Ayan. May pa-heart. Hearts.
Has a little writing.
Yeah. Can you read it for them?
Happy Father's
Louder, please.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I hope you have a great day.
That's why it works.
You work hard for money, but I still love you, Dad. And I hope you still have a great day. Sorry.
Good girl. So, ayan. Si Holly
didn't
tsaka
you
si
say love
Daddy.
you?
Yeah.
Oh, I nearly fell.
Ayan. Yan yung cards. And ang dinner namin, magluluto ako ng afritada, chicken afritada.
What you doing earlier? Drop up,
Oh, si Kuya Sak daw trying maggawa daw ng heart-shaped pancake para sa daddy.
Shape pancake.
Mag-ano nga ako? Lip tint tayo. So, Wednesday, ayun pala guys, naka-ano na tayo, naka-lip tint. So, Wednesday, pupunta kayo ng Adelaide kasi nga may sapsasa yung boys. Golf sapsasa. Ayan na pala yung pancake. Oops, too much. Okay, just put it here. Gusto niyang gumawa ng heart. Okay. Heart. Oh, okay. Good effort. Okay.
Sure?
Yeah. May strawberries dyan, tsaka blueberries. Kasi si Jan ayaw niya. So, ganyan lang. It's alright. Just give it to Daddy. That's enough. That's too much.
Wait, no, do we have strawberries?
Yeah, but Daddy don't like it. No, Daddy don't like strawberries.
Do you like strawberries, Dad? You want banana?
And this is try his pancakes. Andun siya, naglalaro pa. Kasi, golf. Ang nilalaro niya. Sinabi niya, Dad, I tried daw my best. Na heart daw yung ginawa niya pero na-stop up daw siya. Dilim, diba?
No, it's hard, isn't it? No,
What?
the other one's softer, I promise. No, it's hard. It's hard.
Oh no, mine never turn out like this gooey.
Same.
Where'd you go with daw?
It's the pancake mix. Oh, it's you. It's a pancake mix. Mine.
Is it good, honey? What? It's good, but it's gooey.
Yeah, but that is not my fault.
Okay,
It's a pancake.
itali ko muna to.
Thanks, mate.
Busy si Holly sa kanyang bracelets. Ayan siya, naubos niya.
It's for Eagle. For Eagle. Stop! Ready. Ready.
It was a pleasure
Love
running
you.
away with you. We were just children acting like a doll. Crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were
Don't know what I was doing.
kids having kids. Crazy, naive.
Oh, that's beautiful, babe.
That's beautiful.
Cut long.
Magkakat siya ng lawn. And yung kaninang nakita niyo siya dyan, meron kasi akong pinost na clips ni Jan tsaka ng mga bata. Tapos, ang ganda ng song. Then, may message din ako. Yun yung tiningnan niya at binasa niya kanina. May sinabi si Holly. Gusto niya daw yung aking outfit na mga pang-workout. So, ito yung ating outfit today. Nakaano lang tayo. Partner to. Si Jan nagkakat na ng grass of front. And si Kuya, ayun si Kuya, nagsasandok ng rice. Ang ulam niya ay pansit kasi nagpansit ako nung, was it Friday, yeah? Yes, Friday. Friday night. Tapos madami kasi, so hanggang ngayon meron pa. So yun yung lunch niya. Pati nila, pero hindi pa kakain kasi kumain niya siya maraming pancakes. Saka si Holly. Si Holly nasa phone. Kausap niya si Veronica. Hinihintay ko si Johnny Boy. Kasi after dun sa harap, dito naman siya sa likod magkakain. Ayan na. Ayan yung kanyang food ni Kuya. Ayan yung kanyang pancit. And lalagyan niya ng kalamansi. Ayan. Meron tayong kalamansi. Ito yung nasa bottle. That's too much, Kuya. Ito, let me see. Ito siya, guys. Mother's Best. Kalamansi. Ayan, si Kuya. Kumakain na siya. And si Daddy. Andun na si Daddy. Round 2 si Kuya. Is that your round 2?
No.
Is that your round?
Yeah.
Round 2. Yeah. No rice?
Ow!
Oh, careful. Are you gonna get rice? Of course. Tapos na siya mag-cut ng grass. Ngayon pupunta siya sa big shed. What are you gonna do there, Han?
Wait,
Kuha siya ng rope
shed, is it?
para sa kanyang fishing. Ah, which one? That bay?
Yeah.
Ah, doon pala sa may bay. Doon sa dad. Kay dad. Na shed. Okay, see ya. Oh, where's your phone? Kinana ni Daddy yung phone kasi natapos na yung kanyang long distance kay Veronica. Ah, later. Okay. Tapos na yung dalawa maglaro ng PS. Nandito naman sila sa labas. Ayan. Mag-i-edit ako saglit bago ako mag-walking. Then, magluluto na ako ng dinner later. So, 12 o'clock na. Or past 12 na. Mag-lunch muna pala ako. Meron ako dito ginawa nung Friday. Ito yung aking chicken quesadilla.
Nice, Daddy.
And,
Can I have one?
yeah, you want one?
Now? I'll just have one like that.
No, it's cold. Ito
Oh,
siya,
can you
guys.
heat it up then?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the
No, I don't want
air
mine in the
fryer.
air fryer.
You don't want it in the air
I
fryer?
just want mine heated up. So.
Alright, okay. Sa akin air fryer kasi gusto ko toasted. Okay, get a little plate for you, please. Gusto nilang what you gonna do, sir?
Just air fry.
No, what you gonna do outside?
Oh. Lucky Dad's being sarcastic, but he said we can go home. But it's like,
What you gonna do nga?
oh, then on the tram with the sprinkler.
Sprinkler.
It's only 130. Well, and like play football.
And meron din akong ginawang granola. Last week ata. Ito.
What's that?
Granola.
Oh,
Ano
I
yun?
hate them. I hate them. Yeah,
May protein ano to eh. Powder. Meron ko ba? Okay. Kari na? I don't think so. Si Jan pala dumating na rin. Yeah, dumating na si Jan. Nakaligo na rin siya. Anong oras ba? 1:23. Kain na ako. Then, edit ulit. Nasimulan ko na, pero wala pa sa kalahati. Dami ito, ah. Parang siyang sunog-sunog. Yung protein bar kasi yan. Chocolate, eto. Protein bar. Protein powder. So, eto na yung aking lunch. Yung aking quesadilla. Chicken siya, guys. Na-post ko to sa Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page ko na ChonaAndMyKids. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow. After ko mag-walking, gumawa ko nito. Tapos, eto homemade na guacamole. So, kain muna ako. And, anong oras na ba? 1:52 na. Hindi pa ako nangangalahati sa aking ni-edit. So, kain muna tayo. Init pa siya. Init. Yep. Yung sa kanya, naubos na. Lisa. Hininit niya lang sa microwave sa kanya. So, soft yung kanya. Yung akin gusto ko, crunch. Crunchy ba? Oh. So, ang masuk niya. Yan. Init. Kain muna ako. Si Sak pala, guys, ngayong September, mag-ano din siya, meron din siyang athlete sa Adelaide. Yung napili siya, di ba, sa runner? Ha?
That's where I can touch the road.
Wala siyang medya. Sabi ko mag-medya. Sabi niya daw,
I tried these on.
ang athlete daw, hindi raw nagme-medyas.
No.
Hi, he needs to
There.
wear socks.
It's like there, and it's like on the side.
They'll stretch. They're not sure.
He's gonna wear socks, right?
No.
Why?
Oh, it's up to you.
Yeah, you have to. Yes. It's
Let's spring off that.
yan yung binili natin, kung naalala nyo. Kasama namin si Race nung binili ko yan. Ah, pinalitan pala. Yung binili namin, mali. So, pinalitan pala ni Jan. Yan yun. First time niyang gagamitin. Practice lang siya. Ayun, tatanggalin niya na. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain. Light? Yeah, I know. Very light. So, you can wear socks. Mag-walking na pala ako, guys. Anong oras na? 3:29 na. Si Jan pala tulog. And ito yung puff jacket na nabili ko sa Melbourne, kung naalala nyo. So, itong ginagamit ko para walking every time nag-walk tayo kasi malamig pa dito. Spring na ngayon. Nag-start lang nung itong September. Pero malamig pa rin. And usually, naglalakad ako umaga. Pero minsan kasi maulan. So, minsan hapon. Pero during weekdays, I try my best na umaga talaga. Kasi after school, may mga activities yung mga bata. Kailangan kong i-drive, especially si Holly, si Sak. Kasi si Jan kay Kuya si Sak siya si Holly, dinadrive ko sila sa Mount. So, maglakad muna tayo. Kasi after ko mag-walking, magluluto na ako. 3:30 na, tulog si Johnny. So, hindi ko na kayo isama. And, i-charge ko muna yung battery kasi nagpa-flashing na siya. And, mayroon din pala akong nagsusot ako ng hat. Kasi, yung buhok ko minsan, pag mahangin, nasa mukha ko kahit nakatali. Annoying kasi parang Is Daddy away? Gising na si Jen. So, lakad-lakad na muna ako guys. See you later. Hi guys! Bahay na tayo. 4:34 na. Naka 5K tayo. Papahinga lang ako magluluto na ako ng dinner. Nakita ko sila dyan. Where did you go, Sak? Sak? Sak?
Yeah?
Where did you go with Daddy?
Huh?
Where did you go?
Oh, this is Allendale shop.
Lumabas sila. So, magpahinga lang ako, guys. Then, magluluto na ako ng dinner. Magluluto na tayo. Ako pala, ayan. Ito yung binili ko to kahapon. Kasi kahapon, hindi ako nag-vlog. Pero, TikTok tayo and Instagram and Facebook page. So, doon ako nagpo-post ng little vlogs or short vlogs or reels. So, kahapon, mayroong belly dance si Holly. So, duman ako sa Coles para kumuha ng chicken. So, yan. Meron pa dyan na yung parang, ang tawag dito. Bumili rin ako kasi pinag-isipan ko kung magluluto rin ako. Ito ba yung Maryland na yung buong legs. Gusto ko sana siyang i-roast. Kaso, sabi niyo dyan, too much na raw. So, gusto niya lang afritada. So, mag-afritada tayo. Labas ko na rin yung ating carrots. Ito mga gagamitin natin. Carrots, bell pepper, potatoes, sibuyas, and bawang. Yung bawang ko na sarap. So, hiwain ko lang ang mga to. Kasi ang oras na 4:51. Naghiwa-hiwa lang ako dito. And, tawagan ko yung kapatid ko kasi habang nag-walking ako, tumawag siya. And, ito pala guys, bumili ako nito. Ito yung real salt na Redmond. Ayan. Bumili ako nito kasi ito daw yung magandang asin talaga na ang dami niyang minerals. So, yan. Sa US pa daw to, minine. So, wala, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ng asin. Kaugasan ko lang ito and cut. Malapit ko nang matapos ikat yung mga vegetables. Next yung chicken. Ay, may langaw ako nakikita. Ay, naririnig. Bago ko pala ikat yung chicken, prituhin ko muna to sa olive oil. Painit na ako ng oil. So, prituhin ko lang muna sa mga patatas tsaka carrots. So, unahin ko muna yung patatas kasi hindi kasya yung ating carrots. And ito, ilalagay nito sa bean. Ito yung pancake mix. So, ayan na pala yung veggies. Ngayon, nagsusutay na tayo ng garlic, onions, and bell pepper. Sinusutay ko na yung chicken. And meron ko dito pinapakulong tubig kasi magpapakulo ako ng okra tsaka kamote. Yung isa dito, Japanese kamote. So, gusto ko siyang i-try. Hindi ko alam kung alin dyan. Pero dalawa dyan, Japanese kamote. Tapos yung dalawan So, regular lang. Pero masarap. Matamis. So, yan. So, nilagyan ko na pala siya ng patis, tsaka vegeta. And ito, yung ating okra. And naglagay din akong konting salt. Ito yung real salt. Nilagay ko na rin yung tomato sauce. Ayan, kumukulo na yung okra ko dyan. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. And linagyan ko siyang konting sugar. And lagay na natin yung ating carrots and potatoes. Mabilis lang naman ito lutuin kasi yung chicken mabilis lang lumambot. Then yung veggies niluto rin natin na half cook. So nilagyan ko na pala itong paminta at saka dahon ng laurel. Ayan. So pwede kayo maggamit ditong patis o kaya toyo. Depende sa inyo. Pero this time ginamit ko patis kasi kunti na lang yung toyo ko doon. Kailangan ko nang pumunta kay Jonalyn para mag-grocery. Toyo, soya sauce. Kasi paubos na rin yung soya sauce ko. Ay, yung fish sauce. Yung patis. So, yeah. Palambutin ko lang yung carrots and patatas. Punta natin sa labas yung mga bata. Habang pinapalambot ko yung carrots and patatas doon. Madilim. Madilim. Hininaan ko na yun. Parang hininaan ko na yung apoy na yun. Check ko lang. Double check. Yes. Kasi baka sunog naman. Dito sila nagkikik ng footy. Ay, puti. Doon sila.
Mom, this is my left foot, so don't judge me.
Right.
This is my right. Here, quick, here.
Oh, kuya.
This is my left.
Alright. They're both alright?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a shower before tea, okay?
Watch that.
Kasi nakapa sila. Si Jen may kausap sa phone. Lagi naman siyang nasa phone. Parang call center din yan si Jen eh. Malamig! It's cold! Pasok na ako. Huwag ko raw siyang i-film. Ito raw yung right niya. Bumalik ako kasi sabi ko i-film kita.
That's right.
Sabi niya huwag. That's the right. Okay.
Here.
Hindi sila nilalamig. Oops. Oh. Nag-sneeze ako. Excuse me.
This is the
Excuse me. Thank you. Where's your left? Oh. It's alright.
Go on, Kuya. Good one. Come on, just right on here. No, I'm doing it.
Holy. Ikaw na tama ng bola. Alright. Pasok na. I'm going in now. I'm cold. Ayan, lumapot na yung sauce. And nagpakulo rin pala akong eggs. Ayan. Meron tayong boiled eggs. And eto na yung ating kamote. Yung okra, ayan. So, yan yung dinner namin. Nung pagbili ko pala ng kamote kahapon, bumili rin ako ng sour mango at saka sweet. So, kailangan ko na itong balatan. Kasi baka lumambot na naman. Ayoko siyang malambot. Ito ngayon, matigas pa siya. That makain ko yan bukas o kaya mamaya. We'll see. Ha?
That's so sour.
Yeah. Ayan na yung food namin. Naliligo pa sila kuya. And Holly. How about you, Zach? Have a shower.
Alright, Zach.
Okay. So, ready na yung food. Hinintay na lang yung mga bata. Binalatan ko yung mangga.
Very sour.
Very what? Very sour. Ang asim. Yung maasim yung nakuha ko. And ayan yung okra natin. Tapos yung kamote. May dalawa pa doon. Tapos yung eggs. Meron pa doon dalawa. And ayan na yung ating afritada. Kaya na siya kasi maaga siya matutulog.
Don't eat tea without me.
Daddy's gonna start now.
Wait for you, mate.
Yeah, kasi Daddy needs to go to
Hurry up, no.
bed. Si Holly yung after kay Kuya. Si Kuya tapos na. Yan na si Kuya. Yan na si Kuya. And eto pala yung aking homemade na chili garlic sauce. Ayan. Si Kuya kakain na rin, hindi siya makapaghintay. Ayan yung plato ni John. Mas marami yung ulam niya kaysa sa rice. Oh, hindi pa tapos si John. Gusto niya pa ng sauce. Di ba meron kaming tinidor? Hindi yan nila gagamitin. Pero nilalagyan ko pa rin sila ng tinidor. Kutsara lang yung ginagamit nila pag may kanin. Ayan. Dagdag si Jan ng sauce. Hoy, hurry up you two! Si Holly kasi... Holly, hurry up! Sabi ni Jan, yak. Kasi kinain agad ni Zach yung okra. You love okra, right, Zach? Get dressed! Come on, put top, please. Nakadamit na siya. Diyan matatapos na. What do you mean?
That's not your spoon.
That's some of this.
That's not your spoon.
Yeah, if you want. Put the serving spoon. Si Holly nagsusuklay pa.
No, I'll get mine.
Ayan siya, nagsusuklay pa siya. Try ni Kuya yung sour mango. Medyo busog pa ako eh. Put salt. Oh, this is chili.
No, what's this?
Salt.
Oh, I hate that stuff of salt.
Which one you hate? The chili. What do you think? Yeah. Good? Diyan, malapit na siya.
I ate warheads. They're not sour. I ate that. That's sour.
Okay, Baba. Start eating. Push, move your chair.
Okra?
Galing ni sa kumain ng okra. Pati yung, eto, yung puwetan yan, kinakain niya lahat. Walang sayang na okra kay Sak. Di ba ako, pag kumakain ako, tinatanggal ko yung sa ilalim. Yung eto.
What's that?
Mango. Akin na, ya.
Oh, I'll try it.
Sour.
Wow, oh.
May sugat si Jan dyan. Oh, kasi yung paglagay nila ng pots, natamaan siya. Si Sak, hawak niya lang yung fork. Pero hindi niya ginagamit. Si Jan hindi niya talaga ginalaw.
Oh, you having that?
Si Kuya din. You're done, Han?
Comedian Chris Rock, among those who wanted out. He walked 8 kilometres to hit your own.
Where's Chris Rock?
Has been running yearly since
You're done, Sak?
1986.
Nope.
Held with the remote
Si Jan tapos na.
Nevada's northwest. All things are
Dad,
now, even
can I get my hot pot?
expected tomorrow.
Zach will.
Weather system wreaking havoc right across the state. Las Vegas's
Yeah, Dad, get me some, please. Okay.
There's major flooding.
That's sour.
The mango?
Is that pepper on that?
No.
What is on there?
It's just sour.
I got it in my lip.
Okay. Yan si Holly. Kumukuha rin siya ng okra.
Is there meat in this fat?
There's no fat there, Baba. Gusto niya yung taba ng baboy. That's chicken. Ayan na yung kanilang drink. May Coke sila today.
What is that?
I-try, buksan ko nga itong ating kamote. I-try ko yung kamoting Japanese kasi hindi pa ako nakatikim na Japanese. Ito yung kamote na Japanese kasi sabi nung may-ari ng tindahan doon, yung yellow daw. Ay, pareho to Japanese. Yung isa kasi kuha tayo yung isa. So, ito yung isa.
That Coke is alright.
So, regular siya. Parang pare-pareho lang naman. Parang, kasi yung isa Japanese nakalagay siya, yung isa wala. Pero parang pareho.
Is that sweet potato?
Naka?
Isn't it, Mom?
Sarap.
But it's good with that processing.
Why don't you
Yeah,
eat
with
the skin?
butter.
Eat the skin.
I'm not gonna eat this. Oh, yeah. Daming butter.
Western style.
Well.
That's more tasty than that.
Si Kuya gusto niyang butter. Western Star.
Yeah, it's way more tastier than that. Western Australia.
No, Western Star.
I said Western Australia.
Ang daming bata.
What you said?
Pero mas gusto ko siyang sinasawsaw dito sa aking chili garlic.
Can I eat the whole thing?
Sarap.
Can I eat the whole cup?
Yeah. Okra, yeah. You can
All
eat
of it?
Yeah. Diba? Ayun yung tira. Wala pa akong nakakain ng okra.
You're not having the whole bowl.
Yung okra masarap.
I don't even
Isawsaw
like it.
dito sa ating chili.
I'm full.
Ayun.
Anyone want more and stuff? That.
Learned of an extra precious life she needed to save, her own. When they told me it was bowel cancer, honestly, even as a nurse, I thought that
What are you doing, son?
I want to be in your video.
great Australian
Huh?
I want to be in your video.
You wanna be on my video? Diba? Si Kuya. How about you, Ya?
I want to.
Eat the okra, sa. Gusto niya sumama sa video, eh. How's my chicken? Good?
Yeah, I need a video.
Let's get more land,
Yeah.
more even line at sale,
What's wrong, Kuya?
other priorities.
I'll just leave it here.
Land means more money in your pocket. Call us or visit our website and get more from your sheep this year.
Are you done? Pre, tapos na rin.
Mommy, look maganda.
You are maganda. Sakis pogi. Guwapo?
I don't know what that means.
Ha?
I don't know what it means.
Handsome.
Handsome. Oh, I wish I was fat in
Mom,
this.
is that boiled egg here?
Ha?
Is that boiled egg there?
Yeah.
I would that.
Potentially deadly disease. One of them will be aged under 50. The young
Learned of an extra precious life she needed to save, her own. When they told me it was bowel cancer, honestly, even as a nurse, I thought that's for old. I was petrified, you know, just really terrified of what that meant for the future.
Tapos na yung aking mag-aama. Ito yung natira sa ating fritada. And sumusubo akong konti. Naubos yung okra. And ayan yung egg. Meron pa doon na 3. Yes, you want this?
It's a bit pink.
It's alright. Ayaw nila. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. I'll see you sa Wednesday. Mag-vlog ako sa Wednesday kasi punta tayo ng Adelaide. Yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, Kuya.
No.
Kuya, look at them. Good night.
No.
Smile. Good night. Sak, Holly. Good night. Holly, nanonood silang Minions.
Why do we have so
Good
much?
night.
Why is so much
Okay.
stuff
Good
on
night.
Because I think I do want you next to me.